is another allegation in the Indian media that Dr. Zakir Naik is anti-national. I would like to request the Indian media to point out one statement of mine or one act of mine which is against the Indian Constitution. I would like them to point out one speech of mine or one statement or one act of mine which promotes anti-nationalism. In fact, I am an Indian and I am proud to be an Indian. I am a Muslim and I am proud to be a Muslim. In short, I am proud to be an Indian Muslim. And I know that there is not a single law in India which forces me to do something which is haram or prohibited in Islam, and there is not a single law in the Constitution which prevents me from doing something which is fardh, which is compulsory in Islam. I am proud to be an Indian Muslim. India is one of the few countries in the world which gives right to its citizen to follow, practice and preach its religion. And that is the reason I am proud to be an Indian Muslim. But what we feel now, that the media and certain politicians, for their ulterior benefits, they don't want this freedom to be exercised because for the vote bank. And InSha Allah, we pray to our Almighty God that may they never be successful in their aim, in their goal. Some people do this for money, some people do it for their TRP, some people do it for the vote bank, trying to bring disharmony in between Indians of different religion. My main objective is to get the people of India of different religion come together and live harmoniously.